Hey y'all! Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Breo fall unboxing for 2025. I went ahead and opened this up just to get the QR code so I could put it on my laptop. That way I can actually see it when we're chatting and talk through pricing and all of the information. But if you're not familiar with Breo Box, they are a quarterly subscription where you can get all of the newest gadgets and gizmos. And oh my goodness, they pick the coolest stuff. It's stuff that I would never buy for myself, but that I'm so happy to have. In the last quarter for summer, I got an inflatable air pump that was perfect for the pool days, for my paddleboard, for tires of bikes, and even my car. I am so happy about it. And I loved giving the coffee brew kit, the cold brew kit, to my sister-in-law. She was so excited about it. So it makes for great gifts for yourself or for someone in your life. I know traditionally this has been geared towards men for a lot of people, but everyone that I have loved, I know that in the past this box has kind of been seen as a great gift for men, but it's also a great gift for women, or if you just want to give it to yourself, it's a great option. It is so high value. Every single time that you get it, you're going to get a ton of value, and you're going to get to discover different brands and products that you otherwise wouldn't get to. I will leave my information down below so you can save yourself some money, and thank you so much to Breo Box for working with me and sending me this box. Let's go ahead and dive into it. I have only seen one spoiler for this so far, so I'm very, very excited to see what's in here. Again, the product packaging here is amazing. So you open the box, which is a super high quality box. I'm sitting in my bed, you can see my eye masks. Side note, I got this eye mask from Lululemon. I'll leave it down below because it's so good. Definitely the best eye mask I've ever used. It's this gray one here. I'm obsessed with it. Obsessed. Inside this beautiful box, we have a dust bag with Breo Box on the front and all of our goodies. Woohoo! Okay, so let's just go through the first thing I'm seeing on the top here, which is this Click to Cook dual nozzle barbecue lighter and blower. I don't know a whole lot about grilling, if I'm being honest, but it looks like the flame nozzle easily lights the fire and the blower nozzle grows the fire. How interesting. And I mean, from the looks of it, this doesn't look like it's huge, so that's actually kind of a nice size that you can store under your grill or in a box. This is a $70 MSRP. Wow. It's great for barbecue or wood charcoal grills, campfires, fireplaces, smokers, fire pits, and bonfires. Ooh, you can also use it to roast peppers, sous vide browning, melting cheese, and caramelized sugar. That's so exciting. I have been wanting to make creme brulee. This would be so good for that. Okay, it looks like it requires 3 AAA batteries and a butane fuel, which is sold separately. A little bit disappointed that that doesn't come with because I'm not even sure where to get butane fuel, but I will figure it out because I am super, super excited about this. How cool. Okay, $70 value. Next up, this is the Tooletries Get Organized Razor Tile. Okay, and this is the Mason, so it looks like it just holds your razor. Let's read a little bit about this. This is a $9.99 value, so this would be a great stocking stuffer for anyone in your life. I use a kind of razor that wouldn't actually fit with this, but my husband has one that would fit perfectly, and honestly, this would be so nice because the amount of times that it slips off of our sink onto the floor or in our shower, and I have a panic that I'm going to slice my leg open. So this is really exciting, and it looks like you can remove it and reuse it because there are no adhesives or suction cups. How interesting. And it's just this like soft silicone build, so you can use it on glassware or tile. How fascinating. Okay, great stocking stuffer for him. That's really a gift for me. Okay, then we have the Mini Scout Compact Sport Binocular. okay, kind of fun. I don't know when I would use binoculars, but these are great for on-the-go adventures. It is $34.99 value. Awesome. This is really an interesting one. Ooh, you know what this would be really good for? My husband and I have been golfing a lot, and both of us have terrible eyesight. Terrible, terrible, terrible. So this would actually be really helpful to be able to see where the hole is, especially when we're gonna have to drive it really far. So this is kind of fun. Maybe I'll use it for that, or when we go paddle boarding, it would be kind of nice to be able to like spy on all of the pretty homes around the lake. Sounds really creepy, but in reality, that's what we would be doing. So that's cool for 35 bucks. See, these are things that I would never pay for, but I'm really excited to have and to get to try. And then if I really like them, I can give them as gifts to other people. Okay, I'm seeing a big boy in here, and it's this. This is the one thing that I saw a spoiler for, and this is the Beluga vac. It's a mini shop vac, so it's wet and dry, and it is cordless with a washable filter. So it's a handheld vacuum, and it looks like the retail price for this is $69.99. So you get such a good value in this alone. It comes with all the cleaning tools, which is great, and the rechargeable the rechargeable battery, it lasts for 30 minutes. So that's pretty good. I'm never going to be vacuuming for more than 30 minutes at a time, so that's awesome. And then you can just plug it back in. I'll probably keep this with my other cordless vacuum, and then when I have wet messes or like, ooh, my car, this would be great for my car. I'm really excited about this. Again, 70 bucks, wouldn't want to spend that, but I'm so happy to have it here. And then the last thing in here, ooh, it's a Corkcicle. Okay, I really, really like these. It's so funny, my dad actually, we share an Amazon account, and I saw that he just ordered one of these for his coffee, but he tried to get a not Corkcicle brand and not a name brand, and it just didn't work out. I kept seeing him order it and return it and get a new one and return it. So this is probably something that I'll end up passing along to him, but I love these. These are stemless wine glasses that are stainless steel. It keeps your drink cold for 9 hours or hot for 3, and it's actually a ceramic interior instead of stainless steel. I actually really like that because I feel like the stainless steel kind of tastes steely, I don't know. And it's this really pretty like gunmetal gray, and these are $34.95. Oh yeah, you can totally tell it's ceramic on the inside. Love, love, love. Doesn't smell like anything. I don't know why I thought it would, but it doesn't. Oh, and cute, the inside comes with some stickers too. That's adorable. And this is, yeah. Ooh, and it's dishwasher safe. We love to see dishwasher safe. So this is really awesome. I'm super excited about this. Okay, so I'll put the total value up on the screen here, but this is looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with this. So just overall, so we can get a good feel of everything that was in here. We have the wet and dry vacuum, the click to cook butane lighter and blower, the mini Scout binoculars, the Toiletries little razor holder, and the Corkcicle stemless ceramic wine glass. So we have all this. This is awesome. I have to say the things that I'm personally most excited about are going to be that vacuum, because I feel like I'm going to get so much use out of it. And honestly, this. I think this is going to be so, so nice. Ooh, I just thought of another. Okay. So in thinking about gift ideas for the end of the year, this is probably going to be going to my dad because I think that he's going to get so much use out of it. I might even pass this along to him because he's also really into golfing, but he's also super into airplanes. That's like one of his favorite things. He just nerds out about it. So this would be really fun for him to be able to look up in the sky and get to see all the different kinds of planes from a better view. This is going to be going to my husband mostly for my sanity. I feel like my father-in-law would really like this. He's been grilling a lot for us while we've been up in Washington. But I also could give it to my mother-in-law too because she loves to bake. And so caramelizing sugar, this could be good. Or I could keep it for myself and cook for them. It's a win for everybody. And then this is definitely the thing that I'm going to be keeping for myself because I think this is going to be so good for my car. Y'all have met my dog Kona. She's crazy and we love taking her to the lake, but she gets so dirty, and then I have leather seats in my car and she just destroys them with dirt and water and gross grime. Ugh, it's impossible to clean. So hopefully this will help me. That was awesome. Let me know down below what your favorite product was and if there's anything in here that you've tried before. I've tried the Corkcicle stemless wine glasses, but I've only tried the stainless steel ones, so I'm really excited to try the ceramic. Even though I'm going to be giving it to my dad, I'll get his feedback. And I haven't tried anything else. I haven't even heard of any of the brands before. So always great to explore new brands and get to try new products. Let me know down below what your favorite product was, if you have any experience with any of these, and if you're a Breo Box subscriber already, let me know what you thought about your box too. If you are interested in trying Breo Box, I will leave my information down below for you so that you can go ahead and save yourself some money on that purchase. Thank you so much again to Breo Box for sending this to me. I'm super excited to try all of these products, and thank you for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe. If you do, I will see you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!